What's up, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1962 Impala. If you're new to the page, hit that subscribe button. We post stuff every single day. Got a little bit of history on this car. In the glove box is a huge packet of receipts. The guy that owned this car before us owned it for 25 years. It's a date code correct 327. All right, guys, go ahead, visit maplemotors.com to see a full list of our inventory. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the hood, shut my mouth. We're going for a ride. Before we take off, we're gonna look around the vehicle, check everything out. It's really clean inside here. You can tell the seats are pretty old. They're not tore up or anything, just look kind of dirty, you know. The back seats aren't too bad. Probably haven't been used as much. Package tray's in pretty good shape. Headliner looks great in this car, and it's white. Looks nice and clean. I noticed right in the center of the steering wheel, looks like they glued it up a little bit. The horn wasn't working. Go ahead and cut it on here. Another thing I noticed, the windshield wipers are stuck up. So if I turn the wipers on here, they work just fine. If I turn them off, they stop there. I don't know exactly why. If I cut the car off, I can push them down nice and easy. And when I cut the car back on, they come up. I don't know if they've reversed the wires. I noticed it had a new fuse panel under the dash there. And this huge packet of receipts. I mean, it's a hefty packet there. So get a little bit of information on the car there. We'll try the radio out and give it a second. Yeah, it does work. Most of our gauges are coming up. Looks like our temperature's up. Oil pressure's bouncing around there, and the gas gauge is working. Showing 77,000 miles on the dash. Can't really stand behind that because of the year. All right, guys, let's go down the road. Get adjusted in here. Do have the seat belts. Looks like they're out of a different vehicle. I'm gonna try to give you an honest description. There's a little light switch down here for the interior. Anything that I do see or feel may not be right with the car, I will point out. We go through these videos like this and tell you everything because we actually just buy the cars the way they are. We'll clean them up, change the wheels, but we want you to know everything about them before you come down here. First thing I noticed is the steering's nice and tight. And the speedometer is not coming up on this one, so the speedometer is not working. I don't think the kickdown's hooked up either. That's mad at there. Go ahead and try our brakes. Brakes aren't too bad. If I stood on them, it should stop fairly fast. Definitely old style brakes. It's going straight down the road and it feels quite smooth. We're hitting some bumps on the bridge there. Turn signals popping up on the dash. That power steering is nice and smooth. That's one of those one finger drivers. I tried to look at the windshield wipers before we took off. I'm not sure if they reversed them or got them backwards somehow to where they're staying up when they think they're all the way down. They work very well. And like I said, there is a new fuse panel right up under the dash here. But it does kind of suck that they're just stuck up. But I'd rather tell you about them than just unhook them and then we don't even have working wipers, so. I'm getting ready to do some outside shots. We're gonna drive by, see what it sounds like, zooming by, and to do that, I'm gonna use this Telson extension here, and I could put the camera on it. Gotta screw it back on and just drop it right out the car here and put the GoPro on top and drive by it. It's pretty awesome. You can also get a link to it right below in the description. I've been using this for a while now. It's still hanging on. It's metal. The thing I like about these Impalas, they're huge inside. Nice comfy seats. If you're a tall person, you got a ton of headroom. Gonna take off here. We've been idle around this parking lot for a minute, and oil pressure still 25-30. Engine temp's right at 190. Hasn't really moved. Car's still running great. We're just gonna keep it rolling now. I noticed the windows go up and down nice and smooth as I was making these videos and attaching y'all to everything around the car. Just felt nice and smooth. I haven't tried my vent window. Look at that. It's like they've already greased everything. Very smooth ride. It's like I'm riding in a boat, just floating down the river right now. Whoa. Guy running down the side of a really busy road. Motor's still got plenty of pep. As we're driving down the road, it's almost 60 pounds of oil pressure. Engine temp came down to 180. I'm going to turn on this road here and show you how smooth it really is. There's a big old bump in the middle. We're going to hit it at a moderate speed. Right here. You can hardly feel that in this car. Great suspension. I don't think the steering wheel's perfectly straight. Needs to be straightened up a little bit. That may be why the horn don't work. He probably had a different style steering wheel on it, and he kept the original one and probably took his nice steering wheel off and put the original one back on. I see that in a lot of cases, and that'd probably be the good answer to why most of the horns don't work. We're gonna pull back into the lot here. I just did the walk around video right in the middle of the test drive, so check it out. I'll link it to the end of it. And definitely check out maplemotors.com for more information. Everything that I use in the videos, I put in the description below so you can see I use GoPro 7 and I use that extension pole because it's metal, it's nice, it's lasted forever, and it's got everything I need. Appreciate y'all watching these videos. If you're new to the page, hit that subscribe button. I post muscle cars every single day. I've got at least 6 more to do this week, so I'm going to be trying to knock out 4 videos a day for y'all. I do one of each, or 2 videos of each car. One's a walk around, one's a test drive. You just experience the test drive. Check out maplemotors.com. We got financing information, transportation options. I can deliver these cars straight to your door. Wheels, tires, parts, and accessories are also available at maplemotors.com. I do appreciate y'all watching. Look down in the right corner of your screen. You'll see the walk around video of this car, describing any kind of chips in the paint, checking out under the hood, trunk, and interior. Y'all have a good one. Thanks again, guys.